Here's 20 offensive weapons which are illegal to have in your home and which, without a legal defence mentioned at the end, you could go to prison for. 1. A knuckle duster. 2. A sword stick. 3. A hand claw. 4. A belt buckle knife. 5. A push dagger. 6. A hollow kubatana, a cylindrical container containing a number of sharp spikes. 7. A foot claw. 8. A death star. 9. A balisang or a butterfly knife. 10. A telescopic truncheon. 11. A blowpipe or a blowgun, being a hollow tube out of which hard pellets or darts are shot by the use of breath. 12. A kusarigami, being a length of rope, cord, wire or chain fastened at one end to a sickle. 13. A kyotsushogi, being a length of rope, cord, wire or chain fastened at one end to a hooked knife. 14. A marasak kusari, being a length of rope, cord, wire or chain fastened at each end to a hard weight or hand grip. 15. A disguised knife, that is any knife which has a concealed blade or concealed sharp point and is designed to appear to be an everyday object of a kind commonly carried on the person or in a handbag, briefcase or other hand luggage, such as a comb, brush, writing instrument, cigarette lighter, key, lipstick or telephone. 16. A stealth knife, that is a knife or spike which has a blade or sharp point made from a material that is not readily detectable by apparatus used for detecting metal and which is not designed for domestic use or for the use in the processing, preparation or consumption of food or as a toy. 17. A straight side-handled or friction-locked truncheon, sometimes known as a baton. 18. A sword with a curved blade of 50 centimeters or over in length. 19. Zombie knives, being a blade with a cutting edge, a serrated edge, and images or words, whether on the blade or handle, that suggest that it is to be used for the purpose of violence. And 20. A cyclone knife or spiral knife, being a weapon with a handle, a blade with two or more cutting edges, each of which forms a helix, and a sharp point at the end of the blade. There are a number of possible defences available depending on the facts, including, and to quote the statutory guidance, that the weapon in question is of historical importance, to be used for historical enactment, to be used for sporting activities, for use in film and theatre, possessed on behalf of a museum or gallery or lent, or hired by a museum or gallery for cultural, artistic or educational purposes, possessed for religious reasons. Also note, antiques, weapons over 100 years old are exempted from Section 141 of the Criminal Justice Act 1988. This exemption now also applies to the offence of possessing such antique weapons. There is also an exemption for swords with curved blades of 50 centimetres or longer made before 1954, or those made at any time by traditional methods by hand. The maximum sentence is 4 years in prison. Please do seek legal advice if you need to. Feel free to comment, follow, like and share.